Consider the inequality. The opposite of a number divided by 2 minus 17 is less than 7. The opposite, that's where the negative comes in, of a number, that's our variable, divided by 2 minus, that's subtraction, 17 is less than 7. So here we have our inequality. We want to solve it, so we're going to use our opposite operations to get the x by itself. So we add 7 to both sides. 17, sorry. Add 17 to both sides. And that gives us the opposite of a number divided by 2, so negative x over 2 less than 24. Then we multiply by 2 on both sides because we want to get the 2 out of the denominator. And that gives us negative x less than 48. But we're not done there because we don't care about negative x. We want regular x. What is regular x? So we have to divide by negative 1 on both sides or multiply by negative 1 on both sides. You can do either one because they're both going to get you the same thing. Now, here's the trick. When you multiply or divide by a negative number in an inequality, you have to change your inequality symbol. Okay, so because we have this negative 1 here, it goes from being less than to being greater than. It's really, really important that you remember that. You have to reverse the inequality symbol when you multiply or divide by a negative number. So that is why x has to be greater than negative 48. When we graph it on a number line, because it is strictly greater than, we use the open circle, highlight everything to the right because those are where the bigger numbers are, including the arrow. And the common error, negative x plus 5 less than 15, subtracts 5, that looks good. So then we have negative x less than 10. When they divide by their negative 1 here, they change it to greater than or equal to. What is the error that is happening there? Write that down in your notes because it will come up later on our Canvas page. What did they do wrong here between steps 3 and 4?